Supply chains are the backbone of the global economy. They are the complex networks that move goods from raw materials to finished products. When supply chains are running smoothly, we hardly notice them. But when they are disrupted, the consequences can be severe. In recent years, supply chains have been tested like never before. The COVID-19 pandemic, the war in Ukraine, and extreme weather events have all caused major disruptions. These disruptions have led to shortages, delays, and higher prices for consumers. As we move into the future, it is clear that supply chains will continue to face challenges. But these challenges also present opportunities for innovation and growth. Companies that can adapt to the changing landscape will be well positioned for success. One of the biggest challenges facing supply chains today is a shortage of skilled workers. In the United States, manufacturing companies are struggling to find qualified candidates for open positions. This shortage is being driven by a number of factors, including an aging workforce and a lack of interest in manufacturing careers among young people. The shortage of skilled workers is having a significant impact on the manufacturing industry. Companies are being forced to offer higher wages and better benefits to attract and retain employees. They are also investing in automation and other technologies to reduce their reliance on human labor. Despite the challenges, there are also many exciting innovations happening in the supply chain world. One area where we are seeing significant progress is in the use of technology to improve efficiency and transparency. For example, radio frequency identification, or RFID tags, and near-field communication, or NFC chips, are being used to track goods as they move through the supply chain. One surprising example of this is in the seafood industry. RFID tags are being attached to fish and shellfish to track their journey from the ocean to the dinner table. This information can be used to improve food safety, reduce waste, and combat illegal fishing. Another notable trend is the rise of cloud-based supply chain management platforms. These platforms provide businesses with real-time visibility into their supply chains, allowing them to make better decisions about inventory, transportation, and production. One company that has benefited from this trend is Manhattan Associates, a leading provider of supply chain software. Manhattan Associates' stock price has soared in recent years as more and more businesses have adopted its cloud-based solutions. This is just one example of how companies that are investing in supply chain innovation are being rewarded by the market. As the global economy becomes increasingly complex and interconnected, the importance of efficient and resilient supply chains will only grow.